Right here is a room tour of balcony 9698, Utopia of the Seas. It is a standard ocean view balcony, and let's take a look. It's a pretty decent sized room. Let's go look at the bathroom. Standard bathroom, standard little amenities. You have two of these closets here. Let's zoom out a little. There's your safe. Has good closet space, has some shelves and some drawers. You got USB ports in each of the nightstands, which is nice. Queen size bed. Full length mirror. The TV, I think it can angle out if you need it to. It's a nice couch. There's the other closet. This is for hanging. This could fold out into bed. Here's your bureau and your balcony. I selected an ocean view balcony. I'm gonna have to go complain about this. It's not an ocean view. So you got some drawers here. It does have a blow dryer. Here's your mini fridge. It's ample to keep your beers cold. But now they won't give you a beer unopened, so you can't take them back to your room. So that is your balcony 9698, Utopia of the Seas, Ocean View.